Most woodworkers miss out on tools that could save them hours in the shop, not because they are rare, but because they never show up in the usual content you watch online. Today is different. These are some new and genius woodworking tools that actually solve real problems in a smarter way, and some of them feel almost too simple for how useful they are. By the end, you will know exactly which ones are worth your attention and which ones can seriously upgrade how you work in your shop. If you want to buy any of the tools shown today, the links are right in the description. Number 30, Wolfcraft T-Square. This is a useful tool for precise cutting and marking tasks, especially with plasterboard. It helps create straight lines, cut strips of consistent width, and work around obstacles with accuracy. A high-performance trapezium blade allows adjustable cutting widths up to 970 millimeters for different project needs. To use it, the T-Square is placed on the surface, the cut line is marked, the cutter is attached, and the board is scored along the guide, resulting in a clean and accurate cut. Number 29, Moasure LX1. Room measuring usually takes time with tape, notes, and guesswork, but this instant room scan device changes that. It maps a space in seconds as you walk around the perimeter, capturing accurate dimensions without extra tools. Floor area and height differences can also be recorded with strong precision. The results transfer straight to your phone, where they can be saved or exported as CAD files or PDFs. It helps speed up planning work for layouts, renovations, and design tasks while keeping measurements organized and easy to use. Number 28, Saker Chamfer Plane. Get smooth and professional looking edges quickly with this chamfer plane tool, which is perfect for trimming corners and creating clean bevels. It comes with multiple extra cutter heads, so you can keep working without stopping for sharpening. A built-in guide helps maintain steady control, giving you even and consistent cuts every time. So if you are finishing furniture edges or preparing joints, this lightweight tool fits comfortably in the hand and moves smoothly across surfaces. It is a simple and practical option for improving accuracy and finish in woodworking projects, delivering clean results with less effort. Number 27, Greenworks Mini Grinder. This cordless rotary tool delivers versatile performance that suits a wide range of woodworking and DIY tasks. It supports cutting, sanding, grinding, polishing, carving, and light drilling, handling detailed work with ease. Adjustable speed control lets you set the right rotation level for both delicate and heavy tasks, improving control and accuracy during use. Alongside it, the 45-degree angle marker helps create accurate miter marks on boards for clean corner joints. It allows quick and precise alignment for angled cuts, reducing mistakes and saving time during setup. Number 26, M18 Handheld Vacuum. Powered by brushless motor technology, this unit delivers strong suction for heavy job site debris. It works with M18 batteries, so power can be shared across other tools without hassle. Dual cyclonic separation helps keep the filter cleaner for longer, supporting steady performance during extended use. Different attachments allow both floor cleaning and focused spot cleanup. The dirt canister is easy to empty, helping control sawdust and drywall dust without spreading mess. Number 25, Dremel Moto-Saw. If you enjoy clean and detailed cuts, this tool is worth a look. The Dremel Moto-Saw handles wood, metal, plastic, and other materials with good control, especially for curved and intricate shapes. It comes with a 70-watt motor and adjustable speed, so you can match the cutting pace to the material. The table can tilt, helping with angled cuts when needed. To use it, pick the right blade, secure your piece, set the speed, and guide the blade slowly for smooth and accurate results. Number 24, Quick Flip. This is a dual action tool that helps simplify joint creation using Kreg screws. One end drills a pilot hole and counterbore, while the other includes a number 2 square drive bit for driving the screw. The compact quick release design supports fast and efficient joint work across different applications, including face joining corners and attaching drawer fronts, improving speed and consistency during assembly tasks. Number 23, Wolfcraft Multi-Wood Jointer. Turn a standard angle grinder into a joiner using this multi-wood joiner attachment used to create smooth, flat, and straight edges on boards without large machinery. It attaches and adjusts easily, suitable for workshop or job site use. The tool saves time and effort by turning rough wood into ready-to-use material more quickly. It helps woodworking tasks that require accuracy and clean finishing, while adding extra capability to a grinder setup and improving control during edge preparation work. Number 22, Dust Deputy Cyclone. Reduce dust mess and protect protect your shop vacuum with this anti-static Cyclone separator. It separates dust and debris from the airflow before they reach the vacuum, helping keep filters cleaner and suction power strong for longer use. The anti-static structure helps reduce dust buildup and improves overall workshop cleanliness. It connects easily and works with most vacuum systems without complex setup. By capturing waste before it enters the vacuum, it reduces cleaning time and helps extend equipment life. Number 21. RotoSaw Plus. Working on framing, flooring, or trim, this saw produces clean cuts with minimal effort. Its small build helps reach tight areas where larger saws cannot operate easily. A strong motor combined with a sharp blade cuts through wood, plastic, and drywall efficiently, helping reduce overall workload. Ergonomic grips lower hand strain during longer use, keeping control steady and comfortable throughout the day. When accuracy and convenience matter, this rotary saw becomes a reliable cutting tool. Number 20. Universal Drilling Jig. Drill with precision every time using the Bridge City Tools DJ3 Universal Drilling Jig. It helps with both angled and straight drilling through adjustable guides and stops that support repeatable hole placement. Suitable for cabinetry and joinery work, it uses high-quality materials that support durability and smooth operation during use. It helps improve drilling accuracy and control, giving more consistent results across projects. Number 19. Levoite Router Base. Ever feel like your router has a mind of its own when you're doing edge work? This rotor base fixes that fast. The wide base keeps everything steady, while the side handles give you a firm, confident grip so your cuts don't drift. The flip-up fence helps you stay on track, especially when working on clean edges or fine details. It fits most routers without hassle, and once you try it, you'll notice how much easier it is to stay in control and get cleaner results without fighting the tool. Number 18. Kreg Drill Guide Pro. We have all been there. You line up a drill, feel confident, then the bit slowly starts to drift off track. That is usually the moment straight holes stop feeling easy. A drill guide like this brings more control, almost like working with a small drill press while still using your own handheld drill. Angle adjustment locks anywhere from -45 degrees to 45 degrees, so angled drilling becomes more predictable. A built-in depth stop helps repeat the same hole depth across multiple pieces, which saves time when consistency matters. Number 17. Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool. This small but powerful tool saves time and gives projects a clean finished look. If guesswork while marking difficult angles is a problem, this multifunction scribing tool helps improve the workflow. It allows accurate copying of shapes and contours for tight-fitting work on cabinets, flooring, and trim. Lightweight and small, it still delivers strong accuracy. It can mark both inside and outside curves easily and transfer measurements quickly without switching between tools. Number 16. Angle Setup Block. So get ready to dial in accurate miter saw angles with this Angle Setup Block, a precision measuring tool that speeds up setup work. This block slides into position easily and provides clear, consistent angle readings for every cut. Its solid aluminum construction resists bending and wear, helping maintain accuracy over long-term use. It is suitable for framing, trim work, and cabinetry. It removes guesswork from angle adjustments. It helps save time, reduce errors, and improve consistency so every cut stays aligned and precise. Number 15. Kreg Oscillating Multi-Tool. Every shop ends up with small jobs that larger tools struggle with, like flush trimming, plunge cuts, or detailed sanding. This oscillating multi-tool handles those tasks in a compact form. A 20-volt brushless motor keeps power steady while improving runtime. Speed control offers 6 levels between 7,000 and 17,000 oscillations per minute, letting you slow down for precision or increase speed for tougher material. It accepts both open and closed-back universal accessories for wider compatibility. A trigger control with a lock option helps reduce hand strain during longer sessions. Number 14. Jorgensen Clamping Miter Saw. It helps you drill straight and evenly spaced holes for shelf pins so shelves stay stable and level. It uses 6 hardened steel drill guides set at 1 1/4 inch spacing and follows a 32mm system for accurate alignment. This setup also works well for hinge and drawer slide positioning. A magnetic stud finder helps locate hidden hidden wall studs before drilling, reducing mistakes and improving accuracy during installation work. Number 13. Kreg Crosscut Station. This works with a circular saw to handle straight and angled cuts, especially on larger boards that are harder to manage. It includes a solid base for support, adjustable fences for setting angles, and a clear-cut line to guide the blade accurately. Hold-down clamps keep the workpiece steady during cutting. To use it, secure the station on a flat surface, set your angle, lock the piece in place, and guide the saw along the marked line for consistent results. Number 12. Kreg Cutter Drill Guide, a useful tool for creating custom wooden plugs that match the color and grain of a project, helping hide screw holes and surface imperfections. The kit includes a plug cutter, drill guide, and multiple drill bits in different sizes for various needs. The process involves selecting the right bit, drilling a hole, cutting a matching plug, then inserting it with glue. After drying, the surface can be sanded flush for a clean finish. It helps improve the overall look of woodworking projects and supports consistent professional results. Number 11. Rip-Cut. If you have ever tried making straight, repeatable cuts with a circular saw, you already know how quickly the blade can wander offline. Remeasuring every piece also slows the whole job down. This is where this Rip-Cut guide becomes useful in a workshop setup. It turns a standard circular saw into an edge-following cutting system. You set the width once, lock it in, and every pass follows the same measurement. The reach goes up to 24 inches, which handles most plywood ripping and crosscut tasks. A wide edge guide runs along the board to help maintain steady movement through the cut. A built-in scale with a clear lens indicator helps set widths more accurately. Number 10. Allway Handy Saw. This is a classic cutting tool that every woodworker may find useful. The handle sits comfortably in the hand, while the hardened steel blade cuts through wood and plastic with ease. Suitable for quick cuts and detailed work, it stays lightweight and easy to control during use. Trimming dowels or slicing small boards results in clean, precise cuts without the bulk of larger saws. Number 9. Infinity Cutting Tool. Cleaning or sharpening router bits without them slipping around is a little hard. That's why we have this product in our list. It holds router bits firmly in place so you can work on maintenance without losing control or risking damage. The adjustable jaws fit different bit sizes, and the solid base keeps everything steady while you work. It's easy to move around and store, so it doesn't take up much space in your workshop. Number 8. Dowelling Jig Master. The aluminum body stays solid during use, while the steel mounting angle helps line up multiple holes without shifting. Hardened guide bushings keep the drill bit steady so each hole stays consistent. Setup is simple. Attach the angle, secure the jig, insert the right bushing, line up the mark, then drill. It helps create strong, tight-fitting joints for furniture and woodworking projects where alignment really matters, reducing errors and keeping results consistent across repeated work. Number 7. Pex Pocket Crimper. Working under a sink where space is almost non-existent can be frustrating, and this pocket crimper helps with that. It secures 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch copper rings using a simple pair of locking pliers, removing the need for large crimping tools during small plumbing jobs. The hardened steel body holds up well during repeated use and stays easy to carry in a pocket or tool belt. Number 6. Trend Pocket Hole Alignment Clamp. Pocket hole joints can be tricky to keep lined up, especially when you're working alone. This clamp helps lock everything in place so pieces don't shift while tightening. A 9.5mm pin fits into the drilled pocket hole for accurate positioning, while the ratchet handle applies steady pressure without slipping. A quick release button helps adjust for different board thicknesses without slowing you down. The pad on the clamp head helps protect the surface from marks, and the body keeps it solid during use. It helps speed up assembly and keeps joints tight and aligned for cleaner woodworking results. Number 5. Kreg Drawer Front Mounting System. The Kreg mounting system helps with accurate drawer front installation in kitchens, offices, and other cabinetry work. It includes 7 setup and spacer shims to keep gaps, and reveals consistent, supporting up to 3/8 inch side clearance. The thick steel body adds strength, while the anti-slip surface improves grip and stability during alignment. It reduces movement while positioning the drawer front, helping achieve even spacing and a cleaner final finish across multiple drawers. Number 4. Woodpecker's Delve Square. This set includes 2 layout squares in different sizes, the original 3.5 inch version and a larger 6 inch version for bigger work. Both are used for marking, checking, and setting up accurate right angles during woodworking tasks. The offset offset base helps with edge referencing, while built-in scribing guides assist with marking lines directly on material. They can also help with quick setup checks when aligning parts before cutting or joining. Number 3. Janser Compact Stripper. Floor removal usually turns into exhausting work, but this stripper can handle the hard part. It runs on an 18-volt battery, giving freedom to move around a room without dealing with cords. The oscillating blade breaks through carpet, vinyl, and adhesive layers with far less effort than manual scraping. Its smaller size helps reach tight areas like stairs, corners, and under cabinets where larger machines struggle to fit. It focuses on speed and control, turning a slow physical job into a more manageable process during renovation work. Number 2. Profit MultiPurpose XL. This is an essential tool for any woodworker who needs to create holes in wood, drywall, or plastic. This versatile hole saw makes cutting clean, precise openings quick and easy, whether you're installing pipes, running cables, or fitting lighting fixtures. Its extra large size covers a wide range of applications, and the sharp teeth slice through material smoothly with minimal effort. Number 1. Magnetic Stud Finder. A solid layout tool that helps drill straight and evenly spaced holes for shelf pins, keeping shelves stable and properly aligned. It uses 6 hardened steel drill guides set at 1 and 1/4 inch spacing, giving consistent positioning along the board. A 32mm system is also included for accurate placement when working with hinges and drawer slides. This setup reduces measuring errors and helps maintain uniform hole patterns, making cabinet and shelving work more consistent and easier to repeat across multiple pieces. And that's it for today. If these tools impressed you, make sure to check out more videos because we have more amazing videos out there. Be sure to subscribe, give a like, and check out the links in the description for the ones you want. Thank you for watching.